Whoa. Bulli. You ain't never had to walk in these shoes. I seen it all, I got nothing to lose. So who you talking to? Niggas talk shit like they got something to prove, but I ain't smiling cause I wasn't amused. So who you talking to? I'm the one that come and step in this booth, making these waves like I'm riding the cruise. So who you talking to? Running with the dudes, yes I'm one of the few. I'm ball heavy but I'm keeping it cute. So who you talking to? I'm a beautiful savage, nothing average about me. Niggas sleeping so I'm making public service announcements. Ball count goes from 1 to 1,000. Put me on your projects, I do you dirty like you sleeping in housing. Nah, I'm not the one to go rounds with. I'm bodying sessions, I'm not Megan, but they call me a stallion. But who am I to deny pleasure? Just pick a beat that these freaks catch a vibe and I'ma ride it better. All I'm doing is applying pressure, so pick a side and pick wise or realize who you dying next to. These the balls that should come with stretches. I'm killing guys with these lines, the pen glides like a flying red bird. It's a lot of dudes that try to stretch her. I get a rise from these guys, but be advised I don't need your pecker, cause I'm a diamond in this berry treasure. Applying pressure to you pussies popping hangers for sweet nectar. You ain't never had to walk in these shoes. I seen it all, I got nothing to lose. So who you talking to? Niggas talk shit like they got something to prove, but I ain't smiling cause I wasn't amused. So who you talking to? I'm the one that come and step in this booth, making these waves like I'm riding the cruise. So who you talking to? Running with the dudes, yes I'm one of the few. I'm ball heavy but I'm keeping it cute. So who you talking to? I'm finding pockets on the beat like loose change in the sofa, but keep it sexy like the wood grain inside of a Rover. I'ma show you how I keep my composure, I won't hold ya. I be chillin' like them groceries that's holding the cold stofers. Poker face to those unfamiliar. Gotta keep my distance from niggas that try to drill her. With the drama lies and fictional kisses, they come with real swerves. Saving my private from Lil Ryans like I'm Spielberg. I'm the verb in this script, the way I take action. These chicks be nervous and shit, sticking to safe captions. They straight capping, I'ma stay tapped in and take a little sip from this cup I'm holding my yak in. Pressure bust pipes and I'm the type to really pop off. Nigga, I been nice, make your bitch look like a knockoff. I'm off the radar in the gutter like a ditch, delivering lyrical bliss. What's better than this? You ain't never had to walk in these shoes. I seen it all, I got nothing to lose. So who you talking to? Niggas talk shit like they got something to prove, but I ain't smiling cause I wasn't amused. So who you talking to? I'm the one that come and step in this booth, making these waves like I'm riding the cruise. So who you talking to? Running with the dudes, yes I'm one of the few. I'm ball heavy but I'm keeping it cute. So who you talking to?